Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to break a line in a cell on Microsoft Office Excel. So first open your Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. The easiest way to break line in a cell is by uh, doing or activating the wrap text. You will find it here in the Home tab. After you click on it, here in the alignment section, we will find the wrap text. So I'm going to click to activate the wrap text, and as you can see, it is now colored on the gray. So I will start typing hello all, and as you can see, uh, automatically it is breaking. Uh, it is breaking the line. So whenever it doesn't fit, it will break a line. And as you can see, the characters are still here. So I can are there are some characters. So I will have just, and it will adapt itself. The second way to break lines is by doing a shortcut with the keyboard. So let's just redo the alignments. Now I will have to write something. Let's do the same text as before. And now I will want you to click on Alt key on your keyboard plus Enter. And as you can see, after you do it, it will break the line. So even if you don't have the wrap text mode, you will have, let's go for something else. Example. And I'm going to click on Alt and Enter, and I will have it do it as many times without waiting the cell to not fitting. So I'm going just to do like that, and I can type whatever I want. Also, you can delete it and like this. So simply, this is the method to break lines on in your cell on Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.